أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, and his miracles. Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, was born miraculously without a father, and his mother was Hazrat Maryam, peace be upon her. Allah made him a prophet and messenger and granted him the book, the Injil. It is mandatory for Muslims to believe in him as a prophet, to acknowledge the Injil, and to believe in the miracles mentioned in the Quran. In Surah Maryam, it is stated that immediately after his birth, he spoke to the people, saying he was a servant of Allah, who gave him the book, made him a prophet, and blessed him. He was commanded to offer prayer and zakat as long as he lived, and Allah made him dutiful to his mother, not arrogant or wicked. He was blessed on the day he was born, the day he would die, and the day he would be raised to life again. He spoke in his infancy, so that people would not perceive him as anything other than human, though some later claimed him to be the Son of God due to his miracles. These miracles, as mentioned in Surah Al-Imran, included creating birds from clay and breathing life into them by Allah's permission, healing the blind and lepers, and bringing the dead back to life by Allah's command. He could also tell people what they had eaten and what they had stored in their homes. He emphasized that these were signs for those who believe and urged people to have faith in Allah, never claiming any status beyond being a prophet and servant of Allah. Creating a bird from clay and giving it life is considered an even greater miracle than raising the dead, as it involves bringing something into existence that did not previously exist. Muslims must respect and believe in Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, according to the status Allah granted him, neither more nor less.
صدق الله العظيم.